Hello everyone. That would be a really unusual video. I do a holiday season promotion. I'm selling these two sets. One set is Sony. It's a Super Audio CD player, and I'm just installing Super Audio CD, Sony XA333ES. That one has been manufactured between 2001 2003. It's the last model from Sony. There was like three models: 333, 555, and 777. I replaced it laser heads in 2024, and since then, like, it's playing everything perfectly well. Next, MDS deck, MiniDisc, Sony MDS J333ES. I repaired it, I believe, about 2 years ago, and since then, like, it plays with no problem. Records, everything is fine. Next, famous Sony TCK7ES. With all upgrades and mods I did, with VIMA capacitors installed, and it plays super well, one-to-one to digital input. Like, it's very possible to recognize differences, and it's perfect shape with very good heads. Heads like low wear, like wow and flutter is 0.020, 225, something like that, as I remember. And a super condition Sony amplifier, the top model from year 2003 is Sony TA-FA777ES, and it's in a perfect form. Like, I got it more than a year ago. I was listening to it, enjoying. It's really great amplifier, and all this set is like unique set on sale now. I don't think you would be able to find anything close to that, considering that I have a full set of remotes. So these two remotes are for MiniDisc deck for your convenience, and like, you can change text on the songs and make your disc really tracking well. Remote for cassette deck and remote for CD player. All right, so everything plays as you may see, like that. CD discs, Super Audio CD discs, mini discs, record plays. I validated all inputs, digital and coaxial, and analog works really well, and Sony deck in super shape, and amplifier in super shape. So convenience, all these three top parts connects directly into power amplifier. That's where you can have just single cable going to your power outlet. You need conversion box from 120 volts to 100 volts, because most of this hardware in golden color was sold only in Japan, where I get it from. Please send me your inquiries, proposals. It would not be cheap, but reasonable price, okay? Next, Pioneer set. Nice DVD player with Super Audio CD capabilities. As you may see, it's currently reading Super Audio CD disc. Done. Says Super Audio CD. And perfectly restored cassette deck with factory specs, and fully working. Everything works. Calibration mode works, like no problem at all. All right, Super Audio CD is playing. It has pure analog mode, pure audio. If you will turn it on, it will fully disengage digital outputs, DVD processing, and will keep just pure track for audio, for analog. All right. Everything works and performs as it should. This deck has VIMA capacitors installed, so it's on very, very high shape. All right, so let me know if you're interested, your thoughts. I'm open for proposals. Nice shiny sets. Let me know if you're interested. I would prefer that you will pick them up, because shipping for like 4 boxes will be very expensive and risky. But it's doable. Let me know. All right. I have double boxes with protection, and I have original box for this amplifier, FA777ES. All right. You may see the condition. 2 perfect sets. I will be selling more. I have more decks and sets for sale. So, but I want to start from these 2. I really need some money to recover. I have to pay out 1000 XL, and I have a couple more ideas for upgrades for my sound system. All right. You know all restoration process. You know how much I spend time to make these sets perfect, sound really well, and price would be really reasonable. Thank you. Stay tuned to my channel.